Welcome back to Drawpedia Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Mewtwo from Pokemon. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So first of all, I'm not sure whether Mewtwo is a female or male, but I'm gonna address Mewtwo as a male in this video. So I'm gonna start with drawing his ear with a diagonal curve line at that point right there. Semicircle turn sideways to the left, and I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at the side right there, downwards. Semicircle turn outwards at the lower point, and I'm gonna make a turn inwards to the base of the head right there. Now going back to the top of the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line across at this corner right here to the right, and for the other ear on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line here, turn it upwards, semicircle turn sideways to the right, semicircle turn back down at this corner and turn it outwards at the lower point right there, and I'm gonna make a turn downwards to the snout, semicircle turn back out at the top of the snout right there, and I'm gonna make another turn downwards to the lower half of her snout and turn it sideways to the left. Now for his mouth, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this corner and turn it diagonally downwards. For his eye, I'm gonna take this point and draw a diagonal curved line to the left and upwards, and from that outer corner of the eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, another curved line at this point, and turn it diagonally upwards at that corner. On the left corner inside the eye, I'm gonna draw an oval shape right there, and inside of that, I'm gonna draw a small circle at the top left corner and a smaller oval in the middle point. I'm gonna fill that in with black color. In between the eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there and another one on the right side. For his nose, I'm gonna draw a small line right there, and below the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards at this point and another one right here for the neck. Now for his shoulder, I'm gonna draw a curved line from the base of the neck diagonally out and turn it downwards. A curved line across at this point, and I'm gonna draw a similar semicircle line as the shoulder right there, turn it downwards at that point, diagonal turn to the right and downwards, semicircle turn back up, and a curved line across at that point, turn it downwards and slightly flare it out at this lower point, a semicircle turn right there, back to the left side at the bottom point. Now going back to the chest, I'm gonna draw a curved line up from this corner on the right, curved line upwards, semicircle turn at the shoulder right there, back to the base of the neck. Now for his hand on the right, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line out, semicircle turn downwards and still diagonally to the wrist, curved line outwards, turn it downwards and diagonal back to the left, semicircle line for the tip of the finger and I'm gonna copy the same shape for the other finger at this point. Copy the same line again on this side, and I'm gonna make a turn downwards, diagonal line to the right, and curve line. And for the tip, we're gonna draw a semicircle line right there across, turn it upwards, and diagonal turn back to the wrist. And for the inner line of the arms, we're gonna draw a similar line as the outer line right there. And for his left arm, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line outwards. And for his finger, I'm gonna draw a circular shape at this corner right here. And for his finger, I'm gonna draw a circular shape at this corner right here. And at the side of that circle, I'm gonna draw a line sideways, diagonal turn upwards. And at that point, I'm gonna draw another circle. Below that circle on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally down. At the side of that, a line diagonally to the left, and another line sideways. Another circular shape at this point right here. And on the bottom point, a line sideways inwards. Below that, a curved line diagonally to the right, across, and turn it back up. And a curved line across at this point to the thumb. At the side of the thumb, I'm gonna draw a curved line right here. Below that, a short line. And at the side of that, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, turn it inwards at the waist, turn it back out below the waist. And for the legs, I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards from that point, turn it downwards, and slightly inwards at this lower point, and a diagonal line downwards and to the left and downwards. Now for the inner line of the leg, I'm gonna draw a similar curved line on this side, turn it out, and below that, a diagonal line similar to the outer line again, and turn it downwards. A semicircle line at this corner on the right. Below that, for his toe, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line across, turn it back to the left at the bottom point, across a curved line, and another semicircle line at this point, turn it up, and diagonal turn back to the base of the leg. I'm gonna draw a few curved line around the feet right there, and another one, and here as well. Now I'm gonna continue this line of his body towards the leg right there, continue that all the way to the back, to the tail, turn it upwards at that point, and turn it outwards at that corner. I'm gonna take this point below that line and draw another curved line downwards, and we're gonna turn it to the right, and I'm gonna make a semicircle turn back to the outer line of the tail right there, and I'm gonna follow the same path. and turn it back down at this corner and towards the side of his legs right there. At the side of his thigh, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards. Semisuka turn to the right and back down. And for the other leg, I'm gonna draw a curved line down from the side of the tummy. Turn it back in at this lower point right there. And I'm gonna make a curved line downwards. Diagonal turn outwards to the right. A curved line across right there. Semisuka turn downwards and back to the left. Copy the same shape of the toe again at this corner. Turn it sideways. Semisuka turn right there and a diagonal line to the left and upwards. A circle at that corner right there. And at the side of the circle on the left top point, I'm gonna draw a line upwards. Semicircle line back to the lower point of his body right there. Now at the side of his left arm, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards towards his head right there, and a similar line at this inner corner. I'm going to draw some lines on his body at his neck right here and on his chest. A few curved line right there. At the side of his thigh here and on his hand right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.